Glue, used for wood joints. Number 2. Adhesives, used for preliminary installations of thin panels and lumbers. Number 3. Belt bag or holster, helps organize tool loads. Number 4. Wrecking bars. Wrecking bars are used for heavy demolitions and heavy prying jobs. Number 5. Cat's paw. Cat's paw is used for removing stubborn nails. Number 6. Tape measure. Tape measure is used in measuring size, area, and length of an material in carpentry. Number 7. Plumb bobs. Plumb bobs is used to establish a line or marking point that is exactly vertical or plumb. Next is number 8. Chalk line. Chalk line is used for marking a straight line in a flat surface for layout. Number 9. Handsaw. Handsaw is used for cutting the same type using with the varieties of handsaw, just like a crosscut saw or a hacksaw. And handsaw varies with the wood or with the metals. And lastly, the mason's chisel. Mason's chisel are commonly used in masonry, that is being used for cutting stones and for dug out in stones. That's all. I am Albert James from the 12th M&A. That's all.